look what we got from No Limit Fabrication in the mail. This is a No Limit brand new, I'm gonna call it a prototype, if you will, intake that the guys are working on for the 6.7 Powerstroke. So we know that No Limit Fab, as far as their parts go, they kind of lean more into the Ford segment, do a really good job with all of their stuff. Their intakes, they offer an intake already right now that's a really simple intake. You got a couple different options on it, polished, raw, whatever. They are diving even deeper into the intake market with this one. And I'm gonna be honest with you, they sent this up for us for an installation video. When I opened this box, I told Adam, I was like, we have got to do some sort of an unboxing on this thing to where you guys can see it, because honestly, this thing's a masterpiece. It is a damn good looking intake. Really is. I think you guys are totally gonna like it. So we're gonna show you what they got going on here. I'm gonna show you another thing that's super impressive about No Limit. I know you guys, most of you don't care about boxing, but for us in the retail and the manufacturing side of it, boxing is something we take a pride in. Being able to ship a product to you without it being damaged, and coming up and engineering better packing on these products that we sell is kind of, you know, part of the entire process. They've done a really good packaging with this. Get your nice No Limit sticker in the kit. That's a pretty good size sticker too, so if you guys want to rep that, it's going to look good on your truck. Nice piece of styrofoam topper on here so nothing can come down on your intake and crush it from the top, and boom, voila, here we go. I'm going to turn it around here because I had it backwards. But this is it. This is almost, I'm going to use some words here that this is not anything No Limit is telling me. Look at that intake inside the box, how it's jigged up in there. You've got a riser on this side that keeps everything from rocking back and forth. It can't shift. There's a recess cutting the thing, but man, that's a good looking intake right there. Really nice. This one is the 11 to 16 kit for your 6.7 Powerstroke guys. They are working on the 17 and up kits as we speak. Inside of the thing, you get a No Limit koozie, couple of clamps. This is the boot for the air intake. So this is works on your intake side, your plenum. And then I think that's it. Yep, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift the intake out, and then I'll get the box out of the way. There we go, Adam got it for us. There we go with the intakes. Really nice. All stainless steel fasteners on this. Of course, this is your raw version, so you guys that want to do special powder coating on this or painting, you totally can with this. It's got 6 bolts that lock the air intake in. Sealed box, so you're not getting the hot air from your engine bay. It has a port on the side of the box right here where it's going to draw in good cold air from the factory location, so that's a nice plus. And you can see just with this box the way it comes, it's almost kind of a one-piece feel to it. Really cool. Spot-free mass airflow sensor, of course. To change your filter out, you just 6 bolts, take the cover off of it, undo the band clamp, undo the clamp up here at the top, and then you're able to get your filter out of there. There's actually a little drain on the bottom of it in case you get any condensation inside the box. You've got a little drain you can get there, or that's part of it. So yeah, really nice. This is a super good looking intake. I think this thing is going to be awesome. I think it's going to be a big hit for the guys at No Limit, especially you guys that are kind of 6.7 centered or Powerstroke centered or whatever. Check No Limit stuff out. They rock straight into the Ford world here. So cool stuff. We'll get an installation video on this going for you guys. We've got a little twin turbo truck downstairs that we're going to put this on. We're going to have to do some different things on the piping to make it work, but it'll work just fine. So we'll get this installed for you, and we'll be linking you to your installation video there. So check this out. This is coming soon. At the time of this video, what is date? Today's June the 4th, 2020. We should have part numbers on these and pricing on these very soon.